Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log out of CoinGecko application for beginners using your mobile device. First of all, open up the CoinGecko application on your smartphone like you normally do, and once you are in the main home page of CoinGecko, click on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Now from the profile section, scroll all the way down until you find the sign out button. Once you find the sign out button, simply tap on it, but before logging out, make sure that you remember the credentials so that you can log back in next time. After tapping sign out, you will be asked to confirm your action. Click on sign out once again in the pop-up and you'll be redirected to the main home page. That means you are logged out of your account. Logging out helps keep your CoinGecko account secure, especially if you are using a shared or public device. It also ensures that your personal data and preference stay private. Always remember to log out after using financial or crypto apps to protect your assets and information. You can log back into the account anytime you want by entering your correct credential. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. If you have any questions or feedbacks, drop a comment below and stay safe and see you next time.